Holding in your urine for too long might be doing more damage to your kidneys than you realize. It's not just a discomfort, it's a ticking time bomb for your body's filtration system. Why do we ignore such a basic need, risking serious infections and permanent damage? And what about those painkillers you pop like candy? They might be numbing the pain now, but are they silently leading you down a path to kidney failure? How much water did you drink today? Not enough. That could be straining your kidneys right now, setting the stage for kidney stones and worse. Do you even know what your daily salt intake is doing to your blood pressure, and by extension, your kidneys? If you think these habits are harmless, think again. Stay with us. What you're about to learn could save your life. 1. Holding urine for a long time. Have you ever found yourself holding your urine longer than you should? Maybe you were in a meeting, stuck in traffic, or just too busy. Holding urine seems harmless, but this practice can be more harmful than you think. When you hold urine, your bladder stretches beyond its normal capacity, which can weaken your bladder muscles over time. This weakening can result in an inability to completely empty the bladder, increasing the risk of urinary tract infections and eventually damaging the kidneys. The danger does not end there. When urine remains in the bladder for long periods, it becomes an environment conducive to the proliferation of bacteria. These bacteria can travel up the urinary tract and into the kidneys, resulting in serious infections such as pyelonephritis. Repeated or poorly treated kidney infections can cause permanent damage to kidney tissue, compromising the function of this vital organ. It's critical to understand that while holding urine occasionally may seem harmless, regular practice can have long-term consequences that shouldn't be ignored. To protect your kidneys and avoid serious complications, the guidance is simple. Heed your body's call. Whenever you feel the need to urinate, do it as soon as possible. Create habits that allow for regular bathroom breaks, even during busy periods. If you find yourself in situations where holding urine is unavoidable, try to minimize them as much as possible and, whenever possible, empty your bladder completely. These small changes can make a big difference in preserving your kidney health. Enjoyed this content? Then don't miss out on the other videos on my channel. I'm sure you'll find something that catches your interest. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll stay updated with all the new content and help the channel grow even more. I'm counting on you. 2. Overuse of painkillers. Did you know that frequent use of painkillers can be a silent threat to your kidneys? Many people turn to medications such as ibuprofen, paracetamol, and aspirin to relieve everyday pain, without realizing the risks that this can entail. These medications, especially when used in high doses or for long periods, can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter waste from the body. What starts out as a quick fix for pain may actually be the beginning of a journey to kidney failure. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen, are of particular concern. They work by blocking the production of prostaglandins, substances that, among other functions, help maintain adequate blood flow to the kidneys. Without enough prostaglandins, the kidneys can suffer damage, especially in already vulnerable individuals, such as those with high blood pressure, diabetes, or heart problems. Long-term use of NSAIDs can lead to papillary necrosis, a condition in which parts of the kidney die due to lack of oxygen, culminating in kidney failure. The recommendation is clear. Use painkillers in moderation and always under medical guidance. If you have chronic pain, it is essential to discuss with your doctor treatment alternatives that do not strain your kidneys. Regular monitoring of kidney function is crucial for those who require long-term use of these medications. Replace temporary relief with long-lasting protection of your kidneys, opting for less aggressive treatments whenever possible. 3. Not drinking enough water. Water is vital for life. But did you know that chronic dehydration can be a deadly enemy of your kidneys? Not drinking enough water is one of the quietest and most insidious ways to compromise kidney function. The kidneys rely on a constant supply of water to filter waste and toxins from the blood, turning them into urine. When the body is dehydrated, these waste products can accumulate and crystallize, leading to the formation of kidney stones, a painful and potentially dangerous condition. Not only does water insufficiency promote the formation of kidney stones, but it can also cause direct damage to kidney tissue. Dehydration reduces the volume of blood that passes through the kidneys, limiting their filtration capacity. Over time, this overload can lead to chronic kidney failure. It's scary to think that something as simple as not drinking enough water can have such severe consequences. But that's the reality that many ignore until it's too late. To keep your kidneys healthy, it's essential to get into the habit of drinking water regularly throughout the day. An intake of at least 8 glasses of water per day is recommended, but individual needs may vary based on climate, activity level, and overall health. If you engage in intense exercise or live in a hot climate, your need for water may be even higher. Remember, prevention is simple and affordable. Stay hydrated and give your kidneys a chance to function efficiently and healthily. 4. Excessive salt consumption. Salt can flavor food, but excessive consumption may be slowly harming your kidneys. Most people are unaware that excess sodium in the diet is one of the main risk factors for hypertension, a condition that puts intense pressure on the kidneys. Uncontrolled hypertension is one of the main causes of chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. Every time you add extra salt to your food or consume ultra-processed foods, you may be undermining the health of your kidneys. Excess sodium causes the body to retain more water to dilute the salt in the blood, increasing blood volume and consequently blood pressure. This increased pressure can damage the small blood vessels in the kidneys, impairing their ability to filter blood effectively. In addition, high salt consumption is associated with the formation of kidney stones, a painful and potentially debilitating condition that may require surgery in severe cases. To protect your kidneys, it's vital to control your salt intake. The World Health Organization recommends that adults consume less than 5 grams of salt per day, which is equivalent to about 1 teaspoon. Reading food labels and opting for low-sodium options can make a significant difference. Replace salt with herbs and spices to add flavor to your dishes, and whenever possible, choose fresh foods over processed ones. Small changes can lead to big improvements in kidney health in the long run. 5. High-protein diet. High-protein diets, such as the popular low-carb and ketogenic diets, can help with weight loss, but they can also put a strain on your kidneys. Proteins are critical for building and repairing tissues, but when consumed in excess, they can cause stress on the kidneys. This is because the kidneys are responsible for filtering out the byproducts of protein metabolism, such as urea and uric acid. Over time, overwork can lead to deterioration of kidney function, especially in people with a predisposition to kidney disease. The added burden on the kidneys when processing large amounts of protein can accelerate the progression of kidney disease in people who already have underlying kidney problems. Additionally, high-protein diets are often associated with a lower carbohydrate intake, which can result in dehydration, another factor that can worsen kidney health. It's important to remember that while protein is essential, balance is key to maintaining good overall and kidney health. To protect your kidneys, it's important to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients in adequate amounts. If you're following a high-protein diet, consider monitoring kidney function regularly, especially if you have risk factors for kidney disease. Also, consult a dietitian or doctor before starting any extreme diet. They can help adjust your eating plan to ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need without compromising the health of your kidneys. 6. Excessive sugar consumption. Sugar is present in many of the foods we consume on a daily basis, but too much can be more dangerous than just increasing your waistline. High sugar consumption has been directly linked to the development of type 2 diabetes, a leading cause of kidney failure. When blood sugar remains elevated for prolonged periods, it can damage the blood vessels in the kidneys, compromising their ability to filter blood properly and leading to kidney failure. The relationship between sugar and kidney health is complex, but fundamentally linked to diabetes management. Excess glucose in the blood requires the kidneys to work harder to filter and absorb excess sugar, which can result in wear and tear over time. Additionally, consuming sugary drinks and processed foods can increase the risk of obesity, another contributing factor to chronic kidney disease. It's scary to realize that seemingly harmless food choices can have such profound impacts on long-term health. To protect your kidneys, It's critical to reduce your sugar intake and adopt a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Opting for natural foods and avoiding sugary drinks can help keep blood glucose levels in check and thus protect the kidneys. If you have already been diagnosed with diabetes, strictly follow the treatment plan recommended by your doctor to avoid kidney complications. Prevention is the best defense against kidney damage caused by sugar, and small dietary changes can have big health benefits. 7. Excessive alcohol consumption. Alcohol, when consumed in excess, can have devastating effects not only on the liver, but also on the kidneys. Alcohol is a diuretic, which means that it increases urine production and can lead to dehydration. Dehydration, in turn, reduces blood flow to the kidneys and impairs their ability to filter toxins. In addition, excessive alcohol consumption is associated with increased blood pressure, one of the main risk factors for chronic kidney disease and kidney failure. The impact of alcohol on the kidneys goes beyond dehydration. Alcohol can cause direct damage to kidney cells, leading to a condition known as alcoholic nephropathy, which can develop into chronic kidney failure. In addition, consuming large amounts of alcohol over time can lead to the development of liver disease, which in turn increases the risk of kidney disease. It is important to understand that the effects of alcohol are cumulative and, over time, can seriously compromise kidney function. To protect your kidneys, limit alcohol consumption and drink in moderation. The guidelines recommend that men consume a maximum of 2 drinks of alcohol a day and women a maximum of 1 drink. If you have a history of kidney or liver problems, it's even more important to monitor your alcohol consumption and consider abstinence. Remember, every choice you make can have a significant impact on the health of your kidneys in the long run. Moderation and awareness are the best strategies to prevent alcohol-related kidney damage. 8. Lack of physical activity. Lack of physical activity not only affects your heart and weight, but it can also be harmful to your kidneys. A sedentary lifestyle contributes to an increased risk of hypertension and diabetes, 2 of the leading causes of chronic kidney disease. When you don't exercise, blood flows more slowly through the body, which can compromise blood circulation in the kidneys and reduce their efficiency at filtering waste from the blood. In addition, lack of exercise is associated with increased obesity, another significant risk factor for kidney health. Regular exercise helps keep blood pressure and blood sugar levels in check, which are crucial factors for preserving kidney health. When you exercise, the heart pumps blood more efficiently, and that includes the kidneys, which rely on adequate blood flow to perform their vital functions. In addition, physical exercise helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by promoting the elimination of waste and toxins through urine. Every exercise session is a step toward healthier kidneys and a longer life. To protect your kidneys, incorporate regular physical activity into your daily routine. It doesn't have to be a strenuous workout. Even daily 30-minute walks can make a big difference. The important thing is to keep the body moving and avoid long periods of inactivity. If you have health conditions that limit your ability to exercise, consult with a doctor to create an exercise plan that is safe and effective for you. The key is consistency. Stay active, and your kidneys will thank you in the long run. 9. Chronic stress. Chronic stress is a silent enemy of your kidneys. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which increase blood pressure and can lead to wear and tear of blood vessels in your kidneys. High blood pressure, in turn, is one of the main causes of chronic kidney disease. Additionally, stress can lead to harmful behaviors such as poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, and lack of exercise, all of which compromise kidney health. The impact of stress on the kidneys goes beyond blood pressure. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys, impairing its function. Constant inflammation can damage kidney cells and, over time, lead to kidney failure. In addition, stress can affect the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to infections, including kidney infections. It is essential to understand that stress not only affects the mind, but can also have severe physical consequences, including damage to the kidneys. To protect your kidneys, it's crucial to manage stress effectively. Practices such as meditation, breathing exercises, yoga, and regular physical exercise can help reduce stress levels and protect your kidney health. Additionally, Maintain a healthy work-life balance and don't hesitate to seek professional support if stress becomes overwhelming. Managing stress is one of the best ways to protect your overall health and ensure that your kidneys function efficiently and healthily for years to come. 10. Overuse of over-the-counter medications. Did you know that the indiscriminate use of over-the-counter medications can be fatal to your kidneys? Many over-the-counter medications, such as anti-inflammatories, laxatives, and antacids, can cause kidney damage when used in excess or for long periods. These medications can put a strain on the kidneys, leading to acute kidney injury and, in extreme cases, chronic kidney failure. What seems like a quick fix for a minor symptom may actually be putting your kidney health at risk. Overuse of nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, is particularly dangerous. These medications can reduce blood flow to the kidneys and interfere with kidney function, especially in people with high blood pressure, diabetes, or pre-existing kidney disease. In addition, long-term use of laxatives can cause electrolyte imbalances, which also affect kidney function. It is alarming to think that self-medication, such a common practice, can have such serious consequences for kidney health in the long term. To protect your kidneys, use over-the-counter medications with caution and always follow label directions. If you must use these medications regularly, consult a doctor to assess the safety and necessity of treatment. Also, avoid self-medication and seek medical advice whenever possible. Preventing kidney damage is much easier than treating the consequences, and moderation in the use of medications is one of the most effective ways to ensure long-term kidney health. Every choice you make, every small habit you overlook, could be leading your kidneys down a dangerous path. Did you catch yourself in any of these harmful routines? Now think about what might still be lurking in your daily life. What other hidden dangers are putting your kidneys at risk? It's not just about knowing these habits. It's about taking action before it's too late. How will you change your routine today to protect your kidneys tomorrow? The real question is, what are you willing to do to ensure your kidneys stay healthy? Because the consequences of ignoring these signs are far greater than you might think.